Well, my cat finally caught a mouse. I'm going to take a video of it. Hope I don't scare him away. Oop, he got it. He's trying to run. See? Lighting. Hi, Keith. You got a mouse. Did you catch a mouse? You got a mouse. You got a mouse. Oh, boy. Did you catch a mouse? Poor mouse. Well, looks like my other cat got the kill. All right, kitty, you're gonna eat it. So this cat killed it, or got it, and then she's eating it.
What they did?
That's disgusting.
Well, shit, that's good. You want them in your bed?
Okay.
Let them do their business.
Ew. You can eat them out. Now she wants to play with it. Oh.
Good kids.
Poor little kitty. Poor mouse. Okay, bye, kitty. Well, looks like my other cat got the kill. All right, kitty, you're gonna eat it. So this cat killed it, or got it, and then she's eating it.
What they did?
That's disgusting.
Well, shit, that's good. You want them in your bed?
Okay.
Let them do their business.
Ew. You can eat them out. Now she wants to play with it. Oh.
Good kids.
Poor little kitty. Poor mouse. Okay, bye, kitty.